segment AB and segment CD are the diameters of the circle. AB and CD are the diameter of the circle with center O. With center O. Segment OD is the diameter of a smaller circle, and OA that is the radius of bigger circle with center O, and OA is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region means this smaller circle also shaded, and this part and this part. Okay, find the area of shaded region. Here we have given here A, B, C, D and O, but we don't know center of the smaller circle, so we write here E. Okay, therefore first of all we will find radius of smaller circle. So we write here for smaller circle. See this. OE is equal to DE is equal to small letter r. Okay, but the diameter DO of a smaller circle is the radius of bigger circle, so we write here, see this, don't write here. Okay, see this, I have written here r, then keep that r, centimeter. Okay, now this DO is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore DO is the diameter. Therefore 2r is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. This is the radius of smaller circle with center E. Then we will find out area of shaded region by using simple method. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region means area of this circle and this. Okay, is equal to, see this, area of smaller circle plus, see this carefully, area of this smaller circle plus area of semicircle with diameter AB. Semicircle with diameter AB means this. Okay, minus area of triangle ACB. Area of triangle ACB. See this, area of this smaller circle plus we want this shaded region or portion. So first we write area of semicircle with diameter AB. This area of this semicircle with diameter AB, and we subtract area of this triangle, we subtract this, then we obtain area of this shaded region. We subtract, see this area of triangle from this area of semicircle. Did you get it? Therefore, see this carefully now. Area of smaller circle. Here, area of first I will write area of shaded region is equal to area of smaller circle pi r square, small letter r. Did you get it? Plus area of semicircle with diameter AB. Okay, that is semicircle, no? So 1/2 pi r square. Did you get it? Minus area of triangle ACB 1/2 base into height. Did you get it? Base into height. Therefore, see this. Here, this OC means completely this CD is the diameter. CD is the diameter, and this AB also diameter. Here, both are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other means C dash O dash D and A dash O dash B. So here perpendicular. So we write here, see this. This is our formula. Pi. What is value of pi? We write here 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. Did you get it about this? Here 7 cancelled. 2 11s are 22 plus series 1/2 pi. Value of pi is 22/7 r square, 7 into 7. Okay, now here 7 cancelled. 2 11s are 22 minus series 1/2 base. What is base? AB, and AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter, so R plus R, 7 plus 7, what is 14, and OC is the radius of bigger circle, that is R, 7 centimeter. Did you get it? 2 7s are. Therefore, series 11 into 7, 77/2 plus series 11 into 7, 77 minus here 7 into 7, 49. Therefore, 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 7, 17. 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10 plus subtraction of this 2, 28 na? 17 minus 9, 8, carry 1, 7 minus 5, okay, 0.0. Therefore, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to addition of these two. Did you get it? 7 and 7. Very good. Then 0.5. Everything is in centimeter, so we write centimeter square. See this, 5 plus 0. Okay, then decimal point. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. Then 6. Did you get it? This is our answer. 66.5 centimeter square.